Activity 14, Dependent Variables. This is a part of Unit 2, Linear Relations Introduction. Dependent or independent? That is the question. Oh, sorry about the bad English pun. The quantities that change in a relationship are called variables. Some are like time, cost, speed, or distance. The dependent variable, the one that we call y, is a quantity being measured or calculated. The independent variable, the one we call x, is used to find the dependent variable. It's the one used in the calculation. When we have a table of values, the independent variable is usually placed in the first column, right here. And the dependent variable is usually placed in the second column, right there. The independent variable is always placed on the horizontal axes of a graph. And the dependent variable is always placed on the vertical axes. Let's look at an example. A cell phone company, ChitChat, charges 3 cents for each minute you talk. How much do you have to pay for your cell phone? To calculate the cost, you need to know how many minutes were used. Therefore, time is the independent variable, and we'll see time in the left-hand column of the table of values and along the horizontal axis of the graph. And cost is the dependent variable, so we'll see cost in the right-hand column of the table of values and in the vertical axes of the graph. The dependent variable depends on the independent variable. In our situation with ChitChat, the cost depends on the amount of time. Identify the dependent and independent variables of the following examples. The distance traveled and the wear on a car's tires.